Morning, morning. So, ma-pressure sad ta. Ma-pressure sad ko nga na ay duha kamera sa watubangan. Okay. So, before we start, I've brought in some goodies from where I come from because I'm used to magpalit sa akong mga office mates niya. Kaya wala naman ko yung office mates. So, teammates na lang. So, you can open those goodies if you'd like to take a taste of Taiwan's delicacies. Wa ko kanto dito sa katong Meteor Garden. Okay? So, to start with, so our topic for today comprises of 5 topics. So we have understanding bulk buying in real estate, the bulk buyer profile, the bulk sales formula, creating irresistible bulk offers, and high-level negotiation techniques. So technically, I don't know what I'm doing at first, but round down ra siya ni nga 5 topics. So understanding bulk sales in real estate. So per Google, bulk selling is a strategy where a broker or agent sells multiple properties in one transaction. So you'd be asking, why am I selling bulk sales? Why not one unit at a time? Because for my 3 months observing everybody, it's like I wanted to do something different. I'm always the type who thinks out of the box. I don't follow everybody, the current trend or what. So I'm just observing for the first 3 months. What are you doing? Of course, with the guidance of our UMs and the process we have for TWR. So for the first 3 months, it's like, what is the winning formula? So we have the 50, 20, 5, and 1, right? But I only started it in January. Because naglibog pa man ko who will be the people I'll talk to and things like that. So why bulk sales? Because when I went here to Intalio sometime October, it's like, nindot lagi ni ang area no, kay pwede pang apartment. So that's what comes to mind. So I'm really more focused on, at first is, unsa ko'y baligya? Resale, condo, townhouse, single detached, or single attached. So I really have to boil down or funnel down what I wanted to sell because I cannot sell everything at one time, right? So if I wanted to sell 1 unit for the month, I'll have to focus on what specific product I'm gonna sell. So it would be like Intalio ba, or si CLI ba, or any other developers. So I focused on Intalio because of the perks, right? We wanted to travel to China, and of course the car. So that's the target. So before I wanted to sell into bulk selling, it's like, if I'm gonna target the car, it will take me 20 units in 1 year. Diba? So, na ako'y target, kaya katuman gutong nag-sales kick-off ta, diba? So, we really have to target for the year, what do you really wanted to achieve? Like for me, I wanted the car, so it's like 80 million pesos net selling price for the year. So, akong i-compute, dapat makabenta kong 20 units. Pero target lang na 80, so it should be more than that. So, it's like, 20 katao in 1 month. So, ang target na ako is 2 unit in a month. So, dili na ako ma-target. So, kung siya akong dapat, what would be my formula in reaching that KPI? So, I focus on bulk sales. So, for Convo teasers, before I started selling, it's like I've sent, of course, latest naman hino. So, ano yun ako, pinakapala who DM 150 katao.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes, 150 ang nag-DM.
150 talaga good.
Sa ako lang ng Facebook friends.
Kano doon mo fans?
I only have 1,000 friends.
Wow, that's good.
Because of the pala, nga gibuhat ni Onats. Yes. And the people were like, what are you doing now? So, bigatin na kay kain, ana. So, DMs na tanan message. So, mana. So, you'll have... Yeah. So, everybody is like following up, di ba? And i-public ko naman gud akong post. So, kung unsa kong i-post, makita nila diretso. The next is kaning travel. This is an old picture. And they were like, oh, nagbiyahe na sad ka, etc. Pero dili gud pa siya nga time nakabaligya ko. Pero ngayon ako is katas ng real estate. Wow! Yes. Kaya future biya matutag China sa Macau man na so China gyapon. Then lastly, of course, may dream car nga di na wala jud ko plano paliton. It's the Ford Mustang. So everybody's like, nari na sa real estate. Of course, if you're gonna join our company, it's part of the incentives, di ba? Like, ang target na ko kayo kay BYD, ning depreciate na siya, but it's okay. Okay, so ang convo starters na ako, in bulk selling is like this. So, I will not tell them that I'm selling houses, or I'm not telling everybody that palit kag balay, or I have condos and things like that. So, the first thing para bulk sales is, I'm not selling houses, I'm opening a door for you to secure your future. Then, ang una is insurance na. Of course not, di ba? Tingin ko na is not an insurance, although I appreciate if naka-insurance, but if kung gusto pag mag-insurance, I can refer to someone else. Because of course, di ba, insurance is also like to secure your future. Next is, are you interested in building additional wealth for your future retirement? Mostly, with my age, we're really preparing for retirement fund, di ba? Kasi because sa kagamay sa amuang makuha sa SSS, unauna na ako, dili ko mabuhian eh. Wow, with my travel spree and everything, so I need to focus on building wealth in preparation for my retirement. Then next is, I'm excited to present a rewarding investment opportunity tailored for you. So mostly, it's either if referral siya or friend. Kanang close friend ba? Or team, batchmate na wala o kaila. Especially kanang mag-change bitaw. So mag-alan ani, uy. Nya kaila siya na ako. Di ba? Nagabi na yung chika. Yes. Then, let me help you secure your future through strategic property investment. Why strategic? Of course, you'll have to explain why Midtown, why Intalio. And everybody was like, baha, mandira. So you'll have to defend it. So you'll strategize your sales. Then lastly is, I'd like to share an opportunity that could grow your wealth steadily. So this is for the investors. Katong mga dili pa naguna-una silang retirement but they have so much money that they wanted to invest. So let's start with identifying bulk opportunities in residential and condo developments. So we all know that it's a passive income. We all know that it would also be our source of a retirement fund. And, of course, potential for investors to do buy and sell. And lastly, it is also a generational wealth. Okay, mostly when I ask them to buy bulk, they would always say, sige, kaya upat ako anak. Tagisaan nila. Or tuloy ang anak, para daw kuno na siya mampamana, when, of course, he or she will flew to heaven. Okay. So, the bulk buyer profile is si Janice. Yeah. So, you always think of the bulk buyer profile. I know that because it's bulk selling, no, I know that it's also hard to choose from a network kinsa drang naa, kinsa wala, kinsa ka afford or not. So, we always have to think na nandiyan ay kwarta kay bulk sales good. Maglisod na ganita o narrowed down sa isa ka unit based sa iyang salary, based sa iyang income, then based sa iyang family budget, how much more kung bulk sales. So we only have to top people that has money. Then, open-minded. So, dili po siya itong networking. Open-minded ka ba? Something like that. Of course, risk-taker. Okay, nobody knows about the future, right? Like what happened to the Gulf War. So, katong mga gi-offera na ako dito sa Middle East, they are not that risk-taker because they're also afraid that if the war nga mupadayon, they will go back to the Philippines na walang-wala. So, silver lining, pag mag-ceasefire, mo din ako ang i-present. Yes. Okay. So, dapat future planner. Like, butang nila na 5 years from now, yeah, we know that the real estate is growing. So, probably, mag-appraise ang value. So, those are the type of investors that we need for bulk sales. And that's, of course, investor. Those who really wanted to invest not only in the business, not only in gold, but also in real estate. Although I've talked to a lot of other investors na wala sila nag-real estate. It's because now it's a pain in the process and things like that. But if you will be able to convince them to try, pag try nila, they would also like follow through. Perhaps next year tabangan ko nimo magkuha ko kog kondo. So like katong gi-close na ako this month, she's also looking forward to buy a condo basin within the year or next year. Okay? Then of course, building assets. That's the point, di ba? Why do you have to buy bulk sales? It's either for passive income or you really wanted to build a lot of assets. Because owning a real estate is power, right? Yes. You have more assets, you have more power. And then lastly is building wealth. Even if you have an asset, it does not have any money at all right now because it's not yet generating an income, but it's considered wealth. Okay, kung magkaunsa-unsa, pwede nimo isangla, pwede nimo i-resell, pwede nimo ibaligya to anybody else. Then, who are the type of bulk buyers? So far, based on my network and based on how I categorize the profile are like this. So we have the investors, the business owners, we have the OFWs. Especially katong dili makamigrate sa country like Middle East, Hong Kong, China, they cannot live there eh. Okay? So, mo to imuhang target market. Then, of course, the immigrants who also wanted to retire here. Okay? Mahalan sila sa ilang country where they are at right now. Then, napoy uban immigrants na mas ganahan sila invest here because it's cheaper. Our real estate is cheaper here compared to sa gawas. Diba? Hey, mahal man gud magpalit og balay sa gawas. So, nang they prefer to invest in the Philippines. Okay. Then, of course, the seafarers. Tanan man gud nagsakay sa barko, mudunggo man jud na. So, they were gonna go back to the Philippines. So, we'll have to also take into account on that. In fact, what we're planning gani is, if we can have a parang live open house to these people when nasa sa dagat, if na sila opportunity to, have a video call with us, then we can offer it to them as a group. Diba? It's like an opener for those who are still young in the business or as employed sa barko, or for those nga kapitan na pod. And then we have corporations who might be into like bulk selling kay tungod ilang ipaloan pod sa ilahang mga empleyado. Hopefully I can come across into that, because I know when I was in my previous company we were looking into this, but iligan man gud I cannot ask my company to bahin kagayan. Okay, and then of course executive local employees. Bulk sales does not mean na dapat dollars or any income earners not Philippine peso, because ang aning mga executives pod nato dagko po na sila sweldo, they earn above 200,000, so they can afford bulk sales as well. Then, building a strong investor database. So, you'll have to go profiling existing networks. As I've said, diba? I know that most of you have more followers than me or more friends than me. So, hinahinaya na nato na. As I've said in my previous huddle, it took me a month to review my networks. Kaya kinalaman na ako sila stock, kinalaman na ako ablihan yun lang profile. Asan ba ni sila? Okay, ito sa abroad. Ay, nagbakasyon na rin ay, kaya lambalay, kinahamdig diri. Diba? Sometimes they will just put iligan or they will put somewhere else pero wala din sila dito. Okay. So, work on your network referrals. It could be from a friend of a friend, sa previous na to na mga clients. You will have to engage. Dili bitaw nga at the end of the day, na human na nga to ang na-close deal na ta, then bye-bye. We really have to discuss na, basin na kay future plans to invest again, or some of your friends, inani, syempre, may man din siya nga, ay una, na ako'y ma-refer. Especially if it's a bulk sales. Like the duharam din po akong kliyente, no? Like the 2 clients that I have, they were also like, yeah, I'll tap you with my friend who is also interested. Kasi syempre, proud man sila, no? Especially kaning sa akong February, because it's the first time she invested in real estate na bulk sales. Sa timing po nga birthday niya. So, motong sa birthday celebration niya, everybody will talking about it. So, na daw siya i-refer, hopefully. So, we'll see. Then, scout from your FB groups and communities. Gatambay ko sa once a day sa isa ka group. Mamili ko drag kinsa nag-comment, ako nang i-stalk, and then of course you just say hi, are you interested? Katong ako ang opener gaganina. Kaya di ba may friends, alang mangutan ako, kumusta ka, kumusta, o pili mong anak, dili jud. Okay? And then contacts from marketplace. Diba? Naman tayo ma-engage na contact sa marketplace. Dili lang po tataman nga, yes, available 25 million. Bye-bye, di ba? You can also engage more conversation. Although it takes time, but balikan lang nimo sila. Kay, I'm sure, in the long run, maka-close ra gyapon kag deal. Like, earlier, ginan ko ni Mitch kahapon, baliki sa tong kuanbi, katong imong kasturya. So, balikan na po na ako siya ganina. I've shown shares, pictures sa katong Pueblo Grove nga nasa inner nga ma'am mas nindot yang kitchen basin ma-convince nimo imong husband nga mokuha aning 8.5. Yeah, kay nindot yang inner, give and take lang, wala lagi siya view pero nindot yang inner na ay view pero pangit ang kitchen. So we will have to know how you're gonna convince your client to buy. And then of course, sa tuwang database, you have to follow the 50-25-1 and put everything in the owl. Okay? Kaya malimot mo dyan, malimot na ba, diba? Especially katong na-engage na to. I will put it in the NYL, nurture your leads. Kaya naman dito, cold, hot, so pa to, engage, warm, something. Oh. So, ibutang lang na nimo siya, then balikan nimo if you have time. Then the bulk sales formula. So this is the main topic of our discussion today. So first one is of course lead generation for investors. So we'll have to categorize as I've said, di ba? Okay, sa tanan nato networks, naman yun tayo different types of people. Na may mga bata, na tigulang, na retirees, para sa pala ng picture. So, pwede natin identify kinsay yuppies dira, kinsay mid-40s, kinsay golden years na, kinsay retiree, o kinsay ang millionaire. Right? So, kinsa may 20 dire. Oo. So, that's the purpose of that picture. So, pwede natin categorize according to that. So,
millionaire.
si Janice eh. Oh, kaya tanawa ka attire. Oh, kung nakisang golden years of retiree. Wala. Nara diris dua. Okay. Why yuppies? Naman ko yung mga, like for instance, IT. Nagtrabaho sa IT or sa call center is they have like a better salary at the young age between 20 and 30, right? Kay mo graduate magudron 24 naman ata, di ba? So, we focus on condo. Kani mga yuppies, condo yun na sila. So, sa bulk sales formula nato sa condo is we convince them that so that imong lifestyle, masustain nimo, you buy more units. More units mean more sales, more bag, more shoes, more travel. Yeah, that's how they are. Or if you want a brand new car, that's part of it. Okay. So for the mid-40s, which is my age group, wow. Okay. So, na naman yung balay, more or less, di ba? Kaya pag magminyo ka, balay man yun ang sunod. Kasi syempre, kaya you want your kids to grow in a very good community, nga dili gubot and everything. So after that, mudako ng mga bata, of course, our income increases over time. So na yun tayo plan to really invest. So mostly, ang gi-offeran sa akong bulk sales is naa sa mid-40s. Okay, although na ako ginasturya sa uban, wala pa na ako na-close. Kaya dili makakaya sa ako ang 8 hours. Okay? And then the golden years, katong mga nasa 50s na pod. So katong mga nasa golden years, although may na sila na they are already looking forward retirement, but if they still have money nga katong nakagraduate na ilang mga anak, they would also take a look into investing in bulk sales. Retirees, although na ako gibalibaran kay gusto niya cash from her sa ngalan ani pension. So nako dayon after ma'am, wala daw inko nga pre-selling magud ni. So you cannot earn immediately after. So I don't want the ang katupong tao na mag-suffer ba. Na ako pa i-blame nga tanawa nagpalit ng good ko di wala na koy gikaon. So things like that. And of course, the millionaires. Di ba? Wala man jud ko kay of course na koy kailangan millionaire kay kung naa kay earning 1 million si Steph for sure millionaire man na si Mitch o di ba? Mangangkon mo kay labot kabalo ko kwenta na ko nabot og 1 million na inyong sales. Don't deny. Oh, see? Oh, that's why, di ba?
Already, ka maubos og million.
Yep, agree.
Imuhang annual income.
Yeah, so that's why kitang tanan should become this. So kita na gukdon in the future. Pwede naman ta nila gukdon kay we own everything eh. So ngano mo palit ta sa agent nga kita man pwede mo palit, right? Like me, I really wanted to buy one of the ako fresh ko kung gusto sa Millionaire's Lane. But complicated man, so never mind. So that's how we're gonna do that. Okay? So aside from that, akong ingon sa emphasize ang millionaire is because have you seen Pursuit of Happiness?
Yeah.
Di ba? Di ba nato siya i-follow na dapat tawagan ni mo ni pero niambak siya, right? So why not reach out katong giingon ni Kate nga ano dili ta mo siya sa artista? Yes, why not? Di ba sa ilahang Facebook, naman nakabutang, naman na sila email. You try it, I tried it. Ba ako reply eh. Yes, but you'll never know. Di ba?
Mag-stop na sila.
Dili, naman sila itong partner with me. Di ba? Partner with me or collab with me. So, munang mga ginaanuhan na ako. Di ba, gipadaanan na ako sige ito?
Iba?
Si Jinky o si Ivana. Oh. Yes. Oh. Yes, you'll never know. You can send all the artists in the world nga nag-TikTok or nag-Facebook as long as like email address. You'll never know. But of course, we're gonna offer pod. Dili po siguro kanino. We offer the, katong mga mahal yun na mga units. Okay?
Jamag no?
Ayaw mo na Magnum, katong tag 25 million, 45 million.
Si Jamag no?
Or the commercial building, or the hotel, or the lot nga 180. Oh, di ba? Oh, mo lagi.
Siya yung i-message.
Wala pa, ako pang pangitaon. Oh, see? Oh, the bulk sales formula. So we have the value packaging.
Mga relatives din.
Of course, we'll have to decide unsa ti baligya, di ba? For me, it's the Intalio Estates. So we'll look into discounts. Of course, we have the buyer's promo, we have the discount holding fee, move-in promo. Then we have the freebies. Katong like for instance sa Picas developer naman to sila katong if you're gonna turn over aside sa ilang buyer's promo na sila katong mga mini appliances and things like that. So you also include that. And of course, very important is the payment terms. Why? In bulk sales, dili na sila gusto magpagawa sa kwarta nga dinagko. Kay wala man dira. Dili man nila income generate like pre-selling is 5 years more or less, right? Give and take. Kaya ma-turnover. So, munang gusto sila, staggered ang payment. But of course, they knew that they can pay it one time, but they just don't want to. Kaya kilahanan pa nila ituyok po ang ilahang extra money. So, that is why, what's good with Intalio is katong na siya step up. Most of my bulk sales is sa step up yun sila. Munong ginapatangtang na akong step up. Yes. Okay, para walay line option. Oh. But of course, on the brighter side, kay kung ano pod, kung wala tong step up, duha ra pod kay unit ilahang makaya. Okay, it's because it's more bugat. Kay nag-start siya 20, kung mag-step down ka, step up step down. Step up siya is nara siya mga 14. Although in total after 43 months or 44 months, pares ra man gihapon ang iyahang equity. Not 1 peso or not 1 centavo difference. Then, this is the bulk sales formula, financial presentation and ROI pitch. So, financial presentation, which is with Intalio na natanan, right? Di na kinahanglan mag-compute. So, nana siya sample computation for the equity and the bank financing. So, it's easier to explain. Tapos, nanadratanan sa po kinahanglan requirement for the income nga para ma-qualify sila sa bank. Then, you'll have to present also the ROI. I got this from ChatGPT. Okay, so for instance, magunta naman sila, if you'll buy Rigos, pila ang ako ang projected income by the time ma-turnover. Okay? So si ChatGPT rin yung giingon na kung gross assumption niya by 2030 from 5 million daw, by 2030 mag 7 million ang unit. And then by 2035 daw mag 9 million na. Okay? And then kung i-parental nimo siya income, for now, it depends of course of sa imuhang unit kay it's like fully furnished or bare ba. So ibutan na to 30 to 50. Then by 2030 daw, ang rental niya is between 40 to 60 and 55 to 75. So more or less, ang katong presentahan na ko ani, okay ra po sa ila. I think they knew better because they are businessmen man. So kabalo sila sa computation na dili gid sila lugi when it comes to pre-selling. Sakto ba ang computation ni ChatGPT? Anyway, just for the purpose of presentation, ayaw lang na kopya ha. Okay. So, next is the negotiation and closing strategy. So, to be able for us to negotiate in a bulk sales, because it's really complicated, daghan kina sila pangutana, especially katong second na ako nga referral manggod. Ang first is, at least lalaki, dili kayo. Ang babae, grabe ka kuti. Tana na lang ipangutana, di ba? So, you should have an in-depth knowledge of the product you're selling. Like, for instance, Intalio. But we have how many unit models man good na
10.
Right. Oh. Wow. So, 10. So, we cannot present everything to her. So, we have to narrow down or funnel down which which works for her. Mangutan na kapila ang budget, kung siyang gusto. Ang gusto niya, 4 bedrooms, inani. So, ang ako rin yung gi-offer sa iya ha, is si Regus, o si Vita before, I think. Oh, but di naman available. Gusto mo niya, tapad jud. Oh, si Regus na. So, dapat you'll have the in-depth knowledge on everything. Sa katong, unsa da ko ng furnishing, unsa ang bintana, unsa ang pertahan, ganahan siya sa pertahan kay dili wood. And then smart, di ba, smart ready, ang balcony, then ang garage, kana, every details, pati ang, unsa ang tubig dire, yung ko nawasa, oh no, dili nawasa, di niligan, water district, okay, sige. So, dapat, specific yun siya. Not necessarily kung hingkang intalyo, okay, pulo ka buok. As you've said, di ba? Kung mangutana mo sa ako, adyo ko kabalo sa Magna Obra, Magnum, kay wala mo dyan ako na-studihi. Tulo naman dyan akong gistadihan, si Ora, si Oliva, o si Regus, o si Fresco po. Kana lang. Kay normally, kana, depende magud sa ilahang budget. Dira na ko sila gina-match. So it's mostly, sa bulk sales is how much they have in budget. How many units are they willing to invest. Okay? So you have the transparency. For Intalyo, of course, they will always ask, what if magbaha? What is the kaning flood control plan daw? I think Steph was able to mention that last training ninyo. So dapat inana, how Steph delivers it, inana po nato pagka-discuss. So when I make a presentation, I focus also on the specific questions nga gina-raise sa client. Then we have developers assistance. Kaya mangutan naman sila pud ana. Na okay, pre-selling man eh. So, syempre, kasabot mi nga agent ka, after mag-close ta, you will leave us. So, sa diretso namin ni sa developer. Kung nga, don't worry, the developer can assist you, things like that. And then, what are the assistance they can get? Munang, sa akong end, ako yung ginaingnan po ng developer na, I hope we can target the katong turnover, no? Na 44 months plus minus 6 months to 1 year. So, kana siya. And then, the bank approval. Nangutan na po na sila, especially for those na wala diri sa Philippines. Natay specific banks man po, like for TWR, it's BDO, atong preferred, because we have connections with BDO as well. But we also have BPI and RCBC, which is mo po na ang accredited na banks for Intalyo. So, kana, everything should be properly answered. Kasi kung yun kag balikan ta ka mami nani, they would think otherwise that you are not ready or you don't know what you're selling. Then, creating irresistible bulk offers. This is also important. How are you gonna sell bulk sales if wala ka balo sa ni mo og baligya? As I've said earlier, katong mga nauna, I don't post one house. The moment I present it like this. Yes. The entire thing. Okay? So, when I offered for bulk selling, I would offer, would you like to buy a unit that looks like an apartment but not an apartment? So, inana, it's the entire picture, not one unit. Nakanawit ang gina-post na ito nga, Magnum, Regus, yeah. No. Yes, I posted the entire block. Okay? So, identify which products to sell at least 2 to 3 developers. Para ito ma-overwhelm, di po ma-overwhelm ang imuhang gibaligyaan. Okay? At the same time, it's more on mastery of the product that you're selling as well. So, like for instance, if muhatag ko og bulk sales nga gusto nila og kaning apartment rental unit type, I would offer Intalyo, Pueblo, then katong La Familia or Verde. Under the other one. Or anything na townhouse related, di ba? But ang sa ilahan mo sila gusto separate. Gusto nila laray jud. So munang wala ko yung other best ma-offer is Intalyo. Kay ano bitaw ko ka-mitch na tayo lain townhouse or row house na pwede na ako ma-offer kay gusto sila comparison. So I gave it to them, but ko nga since the pre-selling pa man good right now is Intalyo, siya lang jud ang pwede mo magtapad. Gusto niyo tibuok black hala ka muna tanan. Okay? But the rest is bulag-bulag manggod siya. But pwede gyapon unta. Pwede sila ganahan. Gusto nila tapad jud ang ilahang units. Okay? So that's it. Tapos 2 to 3 kung condo pod, we have to focus on 2 to 3 adjacent or combination units. That's like what Primea has, right? Murag 3 or 2 units ba to gi-combine into one big bedroom apartment. 2 units. So kana. So mo na imong i-offer. Pero sa tong sa CLI na ako, 2 units jud diretso ang i-offer sa iya. Wa jud ko nag-offer 1. Immediately offer 2 units kaya na, no, kay tapad man to. But ang iya lang is the budget. Because for her, it's also risky nga iyang i-risk iyang budget when the kids, her kids is going to college na. So I said, sige. Then kung sa tanaw nimo moving forward after a year kaya pa nga mag-invest ka, because she really wanted to invest as well. Because the husband and her wanted to retire back here in the Philippines. Kay mahal lagi ang cost of living abroad. Okay. So, or kung residential units like this, offer them the entire block. If they can afford, why not? That's what I did sa second client na ako. Ko nga, ma'am, kung kaya niyo ang pulo ka unit, why not? Okay? So, yun lang. But she wanted 6, but she ended up with 4 because dili i-honor sa bank ang iyang business abroad. Yeah, so that's the reason nga wala nakuha ang 6, but iya daw ipa-co-own sa iyang family kay para ilaharag yapon tanan ang the entire block. Okay. Then, of course, ang kaning damgo na ako nga Hotel 101, nga the entire floor, nangita pa ko businessman, kinsay mo palit, nga tibuok floor ila. Okay? So, I'm trying to talk to our Muslim brothers, but they prefer magud house and lot. They wanted a lot, not a condo. So kana lang pod. Kay gusto yun nila nga house and lot jud. Dili kay sila more into condominiums. Even if the entire floor na ang gi-offer nga. Sige lang, inyong habitong tibuok floor, tibuok pamilya mo. Yeah, but ang question is, they cannot stay. Kaya kung naamoy tao sa ilahang unit sa hotel, they cannot stay, di ba? Anywhere lang in the world, they can stay as long as na Hotel 101. Unlike sa condo ba, nga pwede nimo ingno na, dili sa na ako pabutangan o bisita or guest karon kay naa ako family or yeah, that's one thing. Then, referral partnership. As I've said, once inyong buyer is done, or yeah, humana mo sa inyong engagement, you still continue to reach out. And then, so kinsa tong nag-refer sa imo sa buyer, imong pangutanab more. Musa day ang other business, what is she into, inana, kay para makahatag kag other offers. Even if you're done with her, okay? Nahumana ka sa, like for instance, karon nahumana ko sa bulk sales na ako. But nangutanan mo ko siyang igagaw sa paylain. Gusto daw kunog kondo, gusto no kunog yuta. So at least na kay, sige next year pohon, pangitaan ko ni siya high-end na kondo or before the year end. So tagaana nimo siya og kanang mga condo listings or gusto po daw kuno siya palit og yuta. So kana siya nga mga kwan. Pero ang yuta gusto na paliton is somewhere Luzon. So we'll see kung natay contacts dito by then. Then, what type of an investor is the buyer? It could be, dili siya into real estate. It could be na siya sa farming, na siya sa kanang magbaligya og mga chemicals, things like that. So, unsaon nimo siya og try na mo invest more in real estate. Unsaon nimo siya og entice na, okay, naka-start man ka sir, but I think makita na nila after 5 years pa. But, what's good news is, di ba, by April, mag-price increase. So, ako na din itong padala, ang katong memo ni Intalio na mag-price increase by April, ako din ingon, di ba, nakanindot sa pre-selling, sir, wala pa ka nagsugod sa equity, nag-increase na. So, para maganahan siya to invest more. Nga tinuod yun when it comes to pre-selling, na wala pa na human ang unit, hinay-hinay nag-increase ang atuang value sa market. And then, of course, future investment opportunity. Like if naamoy other businesses or other ginabuhat aside from real estate, pwede po din mo i-partner ang imuhang buyer. Like for me, I partner my first buyer with my waste management. So, gi-ofera na ako siya og katong organic matter. So, more or less, na ako'y other income aside from real estate to partner with the buyer. At the same time, ginapon ako siya, kung kisay mo uban contact sir, basin pwede ni mo ma-refer sa ako balik. So, kana lang siya, you widen your network based on your clients. Then, handling price objections, no? Most of the time, di man yun pwede, ay, mahal! Di ba? That's the first yun madungga na to every time may minta, 25 million, mahala good. Hello? Tanawa po ng balay. Di ba? So, labaw na pag pre-selling because wala silang makita. Right? Ang kanang model unit nato is not even the same with what we're selling. Kaya po, nahurot na. So, muna ang ano is, unsaon ninyo pagbaligya na ma-convince ninyo ang katong mupalit na it's worth their money. So, know the product by heart. Kung ma-memorize niyo siya up to unsa nga lansang, unsa nga sa isa tubo, the better, di ba? Like para sa tong dito sa Primea, di ba gipakita nila unsa to lang tubo gigamit, kabantay mo dito sa CR. Gibutang gyud dito nga unsa to plastic something, unsa to nga pipe. Oh, kay para makabalot nga dili siya mag-corrode, so dili na ka magbakbak. So that's one thing. That's also important. And abi na akong katong gibutang nila nga para height to, dili di ay height dito sa floor. Nagpasukod-sukod pa kung sa kataas. Okay. Yes. So, yes, katong sa kodoy ko so ni ha. Ni sure nang mosulod kung sa kataas. Oh. Yes, oh kana. So kana siya. Then propose other model options based on client's budget. Di ba? Mingon man siya nga, sige, na ako extra income na mga 150,000. So, mga pila ka units kaya na musulod. So, ibutan mo nga, sir, kaya na 3 to 4 units. So, unsa nga model? So, pwede ka mag-start with Regus, go down to Fresco. That's the cheapest. But sometimes sa Fresco man good, okay, it's cheap. It's 3.3 cheap na yung 3.3 no. It's 3.3 but dito po sila mabugatan kay naman sa 30,000 ang monthly kay for turnover na mo siya after 21 months. So kana very important is the details when ang turnover, pila lang ka months. Like for now katong kanang i-close ni Doris minus 1 month, di ba? Instead of 44 months, 43 months na lang ang iyahang equity to be able to pay. Kay by April daw lagi mag-price increase. So kana siya. So pwede po nato na i-mention like karon gusto nato na apason nga maka-close ta for March. We will mention the price increase by April. Although mangutan na dito pila kaya na normally ang price increase no. Para makita nila if it's worth na dapat ma-close yun nato by March. Then get to know the market price and the potential appraisal value of the unit. I think I've mentioned this earlier na kung wala kay computation, at least na kay based on experience, sir, like for me, because I already invested in some of real estate, makaingon ko diretso sa client, based on my experience, sir, I bought my house at 3.5, now it's selling at 8.5. So if you have experiences like that, you can also mention it. I mean, for those naman mga business owners or katong mga mupalit og bulk sales, they are really familiar with value appraisal or market price. Kabalo na sila ana. They will not engage into bulk sales if they know that they will not also gain more of the sales that they are investing. Then anchoring and framing strategies. So sa katong mga previous ni Steph, yan ang na-mention or even si Alex no. You really have to sell the environment and location first. Aside from the house, di ba? Of course, una nimo pakita is katuman yung isa ka block na siya ba ito nga unit? Oro ba siguro ito? Roca Plus. So, kana. After na, you sell the environment. It's in Midtown. It's accessible to everything. Like, ganina, nag-commute si Onats, dali ram daw kuno ang bus, or si Doris Pod. Oh. So, makarelate mo ba na it's, daghan siya entry and exit points. Kung tanawin mo sa map, di ba, pwede diri sa Opol, pwede diri sa Kanituan, pwede sa Carmen, pwede sa Coswagan, pwede sa Bulwa, pwede sa Uptown. Right? So, you sell the environment. Next, sell the development plan. What is the development plan in Ontario? Di ba, padulong tag phase 7. What are the amenities between phase 1 to phase 7? And then, what is the development plan within the perimeter as well? Di ba, kaming si Vistalan? Also mention that. Na-mention man po na ako na si Villar will also be, Villar man Vistalan, no? Oh, Villar will also be putting up something here. And then in the future, napoy ka ng mga commercial spaces opening. Yeah, which is true naman, di ba? Or Gaisano. Oh, kana.
Panorama.
Oo. Kaya akong client nga katong sa US, dugay kami nag-close kay gusto dyan niya agaw kay siya salig sa ako kasi namakako. Mo tong kinahanlan, di ba? Oh. Mo tong kinahanlan jud mag site tour. So ang site tour na mo dili lang diri. The entire area. Kung musaka siya SM asa moagi, kung padulong dito, padulong Iligan asa moagi. Oh. But at least, sa pagkagabi, na-convince na siya, yung siya, sige ma'am, permahan ko na ni RF ta diretso. Motong nahurot tatanan sa last February. Kaya actually, close na midaan. First month pa lang. Wala pa siya nag-RF, kaya gusto pa niya tanawon sa iyang igagaw, ang area. So, good thing kay classmate man ako, kula bulatikig taman ha. So, kana siya isa. Then, sell the amenities, of course. Katong Olympic size pool, katong pasabog ni Phase 3, halili man po ta allowed. Kaya ano lagi, exclusive lang to siya. So, mo po itong inyuhang go-getter pag maghalin mo sa Millionaire's Lane. Mama na ang ginaingon, you buy the fresco, kay naa ka sa Millionaire's Lane. Ikaw ang pinakabarato sa tanang milyonaryo. Yes! Yeah. Muna ako ang pitch when it comes to fresco. Ubay-ubay pa biya. I think less than 20 pang fresco sa Phase 3. We can sell it at 3.3 lang. Tapos it's at the Millionaire's Lane. Chances are, mas mumahal pa si fresco compared sa Phase 4 because of the proximity nga naa siya sa Millionaire's Lane. So that's how you gonna sell. You should know unsay naka-advantage sa imuhang location o naka-advantage sa imuhang unit. Then, of course, the future market trend of Cagayan de Oro is booming. Like sa gagahapon, di ba, napapangita ko 3 to 4 million nga balay. Wala bito'y makita na ana dyan sa uptown. So, itong tanang tao, midtown or kaning downtown. So, lisod yun kayo pangitaon kay biro siya, kabalo yun siya nga, wala na yun na. Kaya na ikong ang socialized housing gani, sir, katong sa Pueblo is almost 3 million, right? Oh. So, that's it. So, everybody knows na when it comes to real estate, it's really taas ang yung market value. Unlike sa sakyanan, pagawas ni mo sa showroom, nanaog na diretso. Okay? So, and then lastly is the zonal value increase trend. Pwede nimo i-Google map, pero barato naman hinuon. Pero at least makita niya ang zonal trend. Kaya dili man po taga-follow sa zonal value actually. Right? Kaya may silang 30,000 per square meter, pero ang baligya din sa market is nasa 50. Alam, mag-30 ka, kaya mo yung zonal value, hayahay kayo. Di ba? Alkansi kay kastanan. So, that's it. Then, win-win negotiation models. So, discuss lang at least 2 to 3 developers when it comes to bulk sales. Okay, they're really focused. This type of clients are really focused. Dili kay na sila mahilig og taga-ikuan na. Ang ilahay lang is ang ginapangutan na sa ako is what is your best offer and why? O, mo ko ilain ma-offer, di midtown. Alam nga naman ko ka, intalyo, kay gusto kong sakinan, dili, pwede. Oh, sige, gano man. Kay para sir mo, ato kong China, paliti kong daghan. Oh, di, yun pwede. So, it's always, why? So, dapat ikaw mismo, sold out ka sa unit na imong paliton. Sold out ka, why you really wanted to invest here, right? You are speaking for them na you put yourself in their shoes. Kabalo ko natin mga negative na no for phase 1 sinahitabo and everything. But let's give them the benefit of the doubt. I've already talked to the marketing, actually. Yes, ako naging nanday si Trix na please lang ako pa kaulawi. Because, di ba, how can I sell more if we cannot target? So, muna isa. But I think she said na mahuman na daw ang phase 1 lagi 2026. So, mutong itry na ito pangutan ng anong katong sa imo ons 2028 ang gina-mention. Ang turnover daw sa phase 1, 2026 daw ang target. Katong sa phase 1. Lagi, this year. Katong sa client ni Onets.
Oo nga, negative yung feedback ba? 2021 pa niya, purchase naman sila.
Sa phase 1. Basi, mo tayo naka-receive sa email ni amenities to ang masabot.
May akong client nga, kimilan nila, client yan ba? Kimilan nila, nag-web na rin siya. Saan naman saan niya? Mabaka pa niya. Binuak ang email kay send nila to all buyers. But it's just for the amenities.
Amenities ang ganito.
So, actually, gitawagan na niya after tutawagi kay kanang kuan. So, ang ending, ang unit niya, mo itong na-turn over atong gahapon, pero ang amenities will be, yung balay na anak, pero ang amenities ni siya.
The swimming pool, the parks.
Pero it's playground.
Bisto to.
Misunderstanding niya.
Gusto mo ganito. So, mas mirror ka din.
Dili, mauna ang phase 1 ba?
Phase 2.
Phase 2 ang una.
2028 amenities.
From phase 1 ang una.
Pero basta ay amenities. Ganito ang unit amenities.
Amenities to.
Pero anyway, way, nana lang, we manage our clients as well. We manage their expectations. Ibutang na to siya sa reality, dili sa idealism. Like, kabalutang nga 44 months. But in reality, based on experience, di man yun na mo abot. So, magbangil ka, butang mo 6 to 12 months. For those nga kaning mga clients ninyo na kapalit nag-real estate, kasabot yun na sila, ana. Like, lucky for me, because my clients has their own real estate as well. Nagbalit naman sila balay. So, kasabot yun sila, ana. Yeah, I perfectly understand. Ang ilaha lang na, after 5 years, dili na ma-extend. So, motong inan dyan na ako diretso po si Trix na I hope, based on our marketing, na 5 years is 5 years. Paningkamutan na to. Ang ingon ni Trix, okay man daw, bago nila ang engineer, bago na po daw, management, blah, blah, blah. We'll see. But kung makita na to, paspas naman na po hinoon ang ilang improvement or preparation and everything else. Okay? And then, discuss at least 2 units for comparison. Yep, I only give 2 units. Like, for instance, this one is Aura and Rigos. Kana lang. Choose. You wanted 2 parking, no bedroom sa ubos, na bedroom sa ubos, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom. That's it. Kaya the more you give them more options, the more madrag ang inyuhang closing. Kaya ni mo, these are bulk clients, bulk sales clients. Dili kini sila more on puyan namo. It's more on what can, passive income. So kana. So dili lang sila into details. Ang ilaha lang is make sure nga maka-follow up ta with the developer na mahatag na to in 5 years time hopefully. And then funnel down the objective of the bulk buying. Para dili bitaw maglib tibuok Pilipinas o tibuok Cagayan natong ihatag kay kadyo lang sir unsa man yung objective nimo sa imuhang bulk buying para unsa man, para resale, para rental income in the future, passive income, or para puyan sa imong mga anak kay mag-college. Those are the questions you need to ask. Kay para kabalo ka unsa jud mo ihatag. Sometimes yung good para sa ako naghatag og intalyo, di siya nga walay lain options. Sumutog ihatag na akong pueblo, ihatag na ako ang groove, ihatag na ako ano, but gusto man niya tapad ko. Wala kay option, ma'am. Kay gusto man jud mo tapad, mura jud niya ako mahatag nga tapad. Okay, that's it. And then discuss payment terms again. Part sa ato ang win-win negotiation models. Like, kung dili niya ma-afford, una gito, ang nakanindot ni talyo is, kung sa bulk sales, instead of 2 units, kaya may step up, na 4 units na ilang gusto paliton. Which is advantage. But ang disadvantage lang is, madugay ang ato ang commission, ang atong China o ang sakyanan. So, kana lang siya isa. But, ingon ni Trix, there can be consideration po if we can sell more. Okay, diba? Muna ang target. Then, lastly is the closing multiple unit in one presentation. So, make sure that when you do a presentation, ma-close ni mo diretso bulk sales. So, what I did, I tailor-fit my presentation to my client's investment plan. I did not use the sales kit. Kaya pwede siya ma-overwhelm, no? Kaya di ba na ba ito? We are Wecom. Alam mo, imo ba na i-present? So, you remove those that are not important to your client. And of course, point out important details. So, I point out the katong pinaka-important details is more on the flood control. Which they have, ako, pagbasa na ako, I was really amazed how they come up with a flood control project or program here in Intalio. And then, be transparent and honest. If kung nagbaha din na, nagbaha. Kung wala. That's it. Although, question pa nila, sure kang wala dyan nagbaha. And kung based on my experience, ma'am, since 2009, wala dyan nagbaha. Kaya nag-disaster risk man ko before. Every time na ibagyo, motuyok mi. And true enough, atong basyang, di ba? Wa man dyan siya nagbaha. Dire, katong grabe nga, ulan nga nag-training mo, wala po siya nagbaha. Even sa gawas, di ba? Nakita po ni mo nga, sa DPWH, laglong po ilahang drainage. So that's very important. So be observant sa imong environment outside sa imong developer nga ibaligya. Like sa gawas, kung di ba na siya gabaha. So far di ba siya gabaha, ang gabaha ta is dito dapit sa unahan ang kanituan nga part. Katong dito sa basta dito dapit. Katong before ka muliko, kana. Ilaha magani kuan dili man sad gabaha sa forest view, di ba? Then include sample computation and amortization rates, which we did earlier, and then discuss the requirements needed for purchase. This is very important to be able to close. Kani, grabe na akong struggle with Intalio with my 2 clients, no? So, na perfect na namo kan Doris. It's easier now now because, like JOT form, BIS, PBRF, ID with signature, ID sa bana, ID, grabe. Kapoy ba niya? Ang imuhang client base, businessman, especially for bulk sales, no? They are really busy. You cannot talk to them, especially pag OFW. Mumata sila, tulog ka, mata sila. Di mo mag-abot. So you really have to sit down. Usay, you already mentioned na mag-meeting ta ma'am, inani oras. Naghulat ka dito, naglurat yung mata. Inunan din kag, ay nalimot ko ma'am, kinamang ko yung client. Alam, magmarsya ka. Di sige ma'am, another day na sad. So that's it. And then, assignment. Okay, so to be able to probably close your bulk sales in the future, so you have to review your contacts and networks. So you have really to categorize them. Maybe, like, butangan lang, not necessarily ilista ninyo though. It's up to you how you do it. Kaya ako manggibutang sa Excel file. Mutayon ko, it took me 1 month. Kaya magbalik-balik ito, kisang ito. So, kinsa sa batchmate na ako, kinsa ang I started with my batchmates. So, I started with my batchmates, kinsa ang OFWs nga nasa Middle East. I started with kinsa ang mga classmate na ako na willing mo invest 1 unit, condo, and etc. So, that is why my supposed to be March sales are all Middle East. But, nag-Gulf War man, so babay. So, muna gagukod ko karon nga maka-close ko o another to replace my March. Kaya normally, because akong ginabuhat is, nag-prepare ko a month before sa next month closing. Like for instance, last week sa February, na ako ginasturyaan na i-close na ako sa March. Okay? Then pag March po, kung whoever clients na sure ko nga mag-close deal me, na maka-RF sila, build na po ko for April. Something like that. So, yeah. So, i-catch up na ako kay supposedly I have 4 units in March as well, unta, coming from the Middle East. Okay, wala na po ko nag-follow up, no? Kaya syempre, pag buto-buto ako nang i-follow up, okay Ramo, alam mo yun ko, kanusta ka mabayad, uy? Di ba, years lagi, gira na may, mamaligya pa ka? So, kana siya. Although, as I've said, pag mag-ceasefire, silver lining is, your future could have been, storya. So anyway, that's it lang. OFWs, immigrants, business owners, and investors. And of course, let's close deals together as a team, as one TWR. Thank you, and have a good day.